I've always wanted to work in nursing. Since I was a young teenager, I worked in nursing homes looking after elderly folk, and always wanted to care for people, make a difference, try and help them. And so I undertook a number of courses to be able to come into nursing, and I've loved every moment of my career in nursing so far.
So I came to nursing quite late on, and I thought I had something different to bring to the table, and that's what I liked about nursing, because nursing is not just one role. There's so many different roles and there's so many opportunities within nursing to find your speciality and really excel at it.
From very young age, I had a passion working in the health sector. When I was little, I used to play with plasters and bandages. So I knew what I wanted to be. And after completing my college education, I enrolled myself for BSc Nursing, 4-year degree course in India. And I graduated in 1997 as a registered nurse over there.
So I wanted to do something which is very challenging and can be interesting and can make a difference in people's life. So that's why I chose nursing as my career. So when I came to do the nursing, join the nursing career, there are plenty of opportunities also as a nurse you can develop at, if you wish to develop in your career. And there are a lot of challenges also which you have to face on a day-to-day life. And this is one of the reasons which I enjoy being a nurse all the time.